I'm Goose.
I'm Logan.
What are Mamma Mia's?
Yeah.
So it is a bright Thursday afternoon and we're in the mood for Italian.
Yep, so we decided to come down here in downtown Bakersfield to Mamma Mia.
Restaurante. Yeah, we're a bit of a hungry right now, so, and we only have so much time.
Yep.
But this has been on our list for
quite a while.
A little while, yeah. We've been like driving by going, we gotta come by here and get some Italian food. So we're gonna run on inside and get some food, get our grub on.
Yep.
So we just got our lunch menu from Mamma Mia's. There's the appetizers here, some bruschetta, Italian, some bocconcini, Mama. So yeah, I'm having a hard time pronouncing some of this stuff. Some salads, Sophia salad, grilled chicken salad, Isabella salad, baby spinach, fresh fennel, seasonal fruit, goat cheese, the cilantro. That sounds good. Some bambinos, some pasta, burger, dulce, some pastas up here, grilled chicken pasta, pasta bolognese, some osso buco ravioli, some spaghetti baris. Hope I'm pronouncing this right. The sangucci, served with fresh cut fries. That's gotta be burgers. The JT burger, the Gabriella burger, the caprese, the chicken, some specials down here. New York, $42 for the New York. That's gotta be steak and specials. Scottish salmon. This is only one page, and yet I'm hungry. So this looks really good. We're gonna try and figure out what it is we want to eat. And as you can hear, it is very busy. Very popular. Yep. So they brought out some bread and butter for us to kind of like gnaw on while we get ready to get our food. Logan got his nice iced tea over here. Yep. And Tyler got a cherry Coke. So we're just kind of warming up with that while we wait for our appetizer. Yep. And then we've already figured out what it was we're going to eat. So.
Yep. So it's just a matter of waiting until we get to order.
Yep. It's interesting when Logan said, "Where are we going?" I said, "Mamma Mia's." He said, "Oh, here we go again." My, how can we resist you? Finally got my beer and they call one.
Literally. Nice.
It's a Modelo. So I'm going to just kind of like drink this through lunch and the appetizers and the bread. And just take my time with it because it's a big one. All right, so we decided to get like a little flatbread pizza for an appetizer, kind of hold us over until we got our food. And this looks really good. I mean, I can't even remember what it's got on. You can see the tomatoes, you can see some onions. It looks like some barbecue sauce on here. So we're gonna like
barbecue sauce.
I'm not sure what kind of sauce it is.
I can't remember. Yeah.
Why don't you go ahead and like dig into it?
The barbecue sauce looks like chocolate. Let me get a bigger piece.
Yeah, there was a little tiny piece there.
And it's falling apart.
Is that bacon?
It tastes like Parmesan cheese.
Oh yeah, I think it does have Parmesan cheese. What are you thinking?
That's really good.
It's really good? I better dig in before Tyler eats it all.
Stay.
Oh, there he goes. Going for the kill. Dripping all over the place.
Oh well.
How is it?
Spicy.
Spicy?
But really good.
Really good? Yeah, you gotta claim your best there.
You tried to escape and failed.
So as you can see, we made quick work of this. They cut this into really small slices for like everybody at the table to enjoy. You can see the big chunks of tomatoes. And we're still trying to, I think some of this is like maybe spinach or something. It's really good. I mean, I can tell there's something on here I've had before. I can't figure out what it is. But it's nice and tangy. And Tyler over here made a mess of everything. He said he should have brought a bin.
I said that as a joke. But seriously, look at this.
Was it good? It's time to finish up and get ready for our food.
Yep. Sometimes the most delicious foods are the messiest.
Yeah. So we're enjoying the atmosphere here at Mamma Mia's and just finishing up our flatbread pizza. I want to ask if you had a chance to take a look at some of the merchandise for this month, in the month of September. Because we got some new stuff out. One is, it's my birthday. We just celebrated Logan's birthday. We're going to be celebrating my birthday in just about a week or so. So we put out some merchandise with a nice little logo saying, it's my birthday. If you want 10% off of that, all that merchandise, you just put in the word birthday. And you get 10% off all that merchandise. And then our second piece of merchandise is our food coma. Original, which is artwork done by Maddie. Just done with all the different foods we've eaten as we've done through all our channel. Saying to walk away from a good food, the food coma. 10% off all that merchandise. Just put in the word food coma. Can you give one more break? Yes, please. If you want 10% off that merchandise, just put in the word food coma, and you'll be able to have an original artwork for our very own Maddie Peppermint Patty. Anyway, it's time for us to get back to our food. They're going to be bringing us some more bread. We're going to be sitting back and enjoying all this nice, loud atmosphere. Yep. So we got our food. I'm going to start over here with Logan. Logan got
the grilled chicken pasta with fettuccine.
That looks.
Oh my god, it looks amazing.
That smells amazing.
Oh yeah.
That just smells amazing. Over here to Tyler. Tyler's like, gotta see this. I'm like, okay.
It's called the meatball.
It's just a meatball sandwich.
So that's part the second one in there, And oh my god, I made a good choice.
It's got some fries there. Some ketchup. I got some braised rib raviolis. This looks delicious. In fact, I'm going to cut one open just to show you.
If I were you, I would make sure it's cut
See if I can pick it up. Look at all that meat in there. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
This looks great. I almost don't want to eat it, but it must go in my belly. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm not much into raviolis. It's not something I like go out of my way to order. But when it was like braised ribs, short rib raviolis, I had to try it. Man, it is just phenomenal. It's really good. It's like, you taste the meat, the olive oil, you can taste all the cheese in it. And it's amazing. It's amazing. It's like, here, I give some to Logan over here, and his eyes popped out of his head with the raviolis.
Oh, yeah, the braised short rib raviolis. The flavor, the melt in your mouth is something else.
And you're still taking your time with
the pasta,
the pasta and the chicken.
It is so good.
I talked to Tyler and he was food in his mouth.
I had to fight to keep the meatball in the sandwich.
Well, it is a meatball, so he does like to try to get out.
It was trying to roll out like Optimus Prime. It's really
good.
It is amazing.
Amazing.
The texture, the flavor, the sauces. I'm one of those people who thinks cilantro tastes like soap, but in this case, it's awesome.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Want to give you another look at this ravioli. Look at all that meat. braised pork rib in this ravioli. It is so delicious. Then it, especially mixed with the cheese. I think it's like a feta cheese or ricotta cheese. It's really good. It's just. Oh. And Tyler over here is just, he's having an orgasm over his meatballs.
Really?
You good?
I mean, it's good.
And Logan over here is just plugging away. Enjoy his pasta, enjoy his chicken.
Yep.
So this is the last of my ravioli. It's going bye-bye. Look at Tyler keeps, he's like, this food is so good. We need to come back here again. This is even the fries are good.
With Madison and Cindy.
Yep. Logan's just, there's that face.
Oh yeah, I'm almost done. Still got some of the chicken left and the pasta, but you can never go wrong with pasta at an Italian restaurant.
Not really.
I remember, like, I think this is the same thing I got over at Frugati's, was the grilled chicken pasta. It's always reliable.
But the thing I got at Frugati's was a burger.
Yeah. Well, you only got a burger here.
Well,
But
I
you
mean,
have meatballs.
I didn't want to get a burger but then once I saw fries, I was like, okay, if I get anything else, no fries. But if I get this, fries. So I got the sub. Best decision ever.
Full
I
again.
am too.
Again.
And that food was
Oh,
incredible.
Amazing.
It was
Awesome.
the grilled chicken pasta, the meatball sub, or the
ravioli.
braised short rib ravioli.
Yeah, I mean, we were joking with Tyler saying he was having a foodgasm, but I think we all could have had a foodgasm.
Yeah.
I mean, the food was that good. Just for the three of us, it came out to what, about
$105, but that was with an appetizer and a drink.
Yeah,
And drinks for each.
and then I got I got the beer, so
Yeah.
the big beer,
So that was about $8 for
Yeah.
the tall beer.
or the tall beer. But yeah, this food is amazing. It started to empty out right around 1:45 because we
think people's lunch breaks are ending, and this being downtown, a lot of working people.
Yeah, we are on 17th, right near Chester Avenue,
Yep.
downtown Bakersfield. This place is phenomenal. Good grief, you got to come.
We're on 18th.
18th. You're
Yeah.
right. I'm sorry. Don't listen to me. We're on 18th, right near Chester Avenue, downtown Bakersfield. Like I said, this place is phenomenal. This food is great. You got to come and just sit down and have a nice meal here.
At Mamma Mia.
Mamma Mia's. Here we go again.
Yep.
But
Give me some apple.
with that being said, Logan, if they want to check us out anywhere else, where they go?
If you want to find all the links to our social medias, you can find them at withcodeys.com/@travelbynature. You can find the links to our podcast, our Twitter pages, our TikTok, our Instagram, and we also have an Ask Me Anything tab and a tip jar, if you're so generous.
Yeah, be on the lookout because we are going to get back to our podcasts.
Yep.
We've just been trying to figure out how to squeeze them into someone's very busy schedule.
Yep.
If they want to help out the channel over there.
You can hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share to your friends.
Yeah, share it with your friends. Leave us a comment. Makes us smile. What else can they do?
If you really like our content, you can join our channel. Where you do that is on the homepage of our channel, right next to the subscribe button. We have 3 tiers, one $4.99, one $7.99, and one $9.99. So if you really like our content, you can help us out there.
Yep, and everything you donate to the channel goes right back into the channel.
Yep.
With that being said, from here at Mamma Mia's over here on 18th near Chester Avenue, downtown Bakersfield. I am Goose.
I'm Logan.
That's Tyler. We're Travel by Nature. Thank you for watching.